channel. Today I'm doing JUVIA'S palette haul. I picked up about a week ago. I picked up 4 new palettes. Now I have 7 palettes altogether, and I'm just going to be hauling 4 of them, and let's just get into it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. New stuff coming. It's getting lit around here. We're glowing up. Get into it. So the first palette we are going to talk about today is the JUVIA'S Zulu Palette, and it comes in this white beautiful box, and it kind of has like a reflex of this lovely queen on the front. It has some spring summer shades into it, and they're so beautiful. And what I noticed about this palette, out of all of them, this palette does not have names on any of them. I don't understand. Let me go to the site so I can tell you how much these retail for. Alright, you guys, I'm on the site, and luckily these palettes are on sale right now, and this one retails for $21. It's on sale right now for $17.50. The shipping is freaking amazing, super fast. You didn't hear that drop. And you can also pick in the shipping how fast you want it to ship, or you just want the regular shipping. They're on sale for 20% off with the code Spring Sale. So we're just going to swatch some of the shades on the back of my hand. They don't have any names, but alright, the first shade we're going to swatch is this purple. This is the purple shade right here. It looked like it's a little blotchy, but my hand was just wet from the way I just wiped my hand. I just wiped the back of my hand off. So let's try the pink shade next to it. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to haul these for you really quick. And then I'm going to do the shade next to this pink one. It's kind of like a metallic dual chrome color. Alright, so I swatched this purple one here. This whole row right here on the back of my hand. Like you can see, this pink one has a pink and gold shift to it. And then the neon, the fuchsia pink, and the purple next to it. Let's do one more. We're going to do the 2 more. This neon, this metallic green next on the top row, and the teal color next to that. The teal color needs to be built up a little bit. It's not that pigmented, but of course if you have like primer and stuff on your eye, it will come out amazing. So I just swatched this shade right here and this one right here. This is actually a teal. It's not coming off as teal on the camera because of lights, but this neon, this green here, and this teal on the back of my hand, this is the green one, and this is the green one in the middle, and this is the Zulu palette. Our next palette is going to be the Fiesta, well, festival. No, I want to call it Fiesta because it's like a festival inside. Festival palette by JUVIA'S. These have more like a red, orange, blue, teals, a buttery yellow. It looked like more of a mustard yellow, champagne gold color right here. I'm not gonna really go through the names. I'm just gonna go through swatches of them. So we're gonna swatch this blue. Oh, this blue one is amazing. Oh, I gotta do a look at this. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna go down the middle row. I'm gonna do the blue and the pink one on top of that. They're all so effing creamy, you guys. I just accidentally dug my nail in that. That does not feel cool. And I'm gonna do this white pearly shade at the top. It's like icy, but I think I can find a way to use that. So I swatched these 3 shades right here. This teal is darker. There it is. This teal is darker. So here is the shades. Sorry that I'm left-handed. So here is the blue one, a pink, and then this white has like a white chromy, creamy finish. Look like a, it kind of looks, when you wipe it, it looks like it has like a under, like it's like a dual chrome, like it has like a lavender shade in it. I think it'd be really pretty with like on top of a purple eyeshadow. I will have all the names to all the colors that I swatched in the description box. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will have everything listed in the description box. And then this palette is on, let me see, it's on sale. This one's not on sale. It's a regular price, $21, but the pan size is freaking amazing compared to other. Here they go next to each other. You can see the difference in pan size. These are really bigger than, you get 9 shades in this palette. You get 9 in the previous palette also, and that was on sale for $21. And now I have the Saharan 2 palette. It comes in this beautiful purple box with a lady with a beautiful hijab on, and her makeup is freaking flawless. Look at the texture. It's like texture is really beautiful. Remove the plastic. These has name also, but we're not going to go through all the names. I will leave the name in the description box. So we're going to do this. Ooh, this beautiful orange color, this cranberry burgundy color in the middle. This shadow has a shift to it. Oh my goodness. We're going to do this aqua foam green color, and let's do a matte. We're going to do this matte burgundy color down here. Alrighty, so I swatch this burgundy shade, this middle shade, this one, all in the back of my hand. This green is beautiful. It's kind of washing out, the light's kind of washing it out. This in the pan is a burgundy shade, but when you switch it, it's chrome and then like a cranberry shade also. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And then we have this beautiful sherbet looking orange right here. Freaking amazing. And this one is, let me see if this one's on sale also. It is not on sale, but the regular price is only $21 for 9 huge pan of eyeshadow, and they last for freaking ever. And they're like, you can use them for different things. I use them for blushes, highlighters, everything. Sometimes I take some of the shades and kind of pop it in the middle of my lip. Matter of fact, we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna take that seafoam green color. Look at that. I don't know if you guys are picking up the true color of it, but it's so pretty. You can use makeup in so many different ways. It does not just have to be limited to what it says that it's for. I actually kind of like that on, so I might leave a little bit. I'm gonna put my gloss on. Saharan 2 palette. It's not on. Alrighty, and the last palette is the big baby. We saved it for last. This is the Magic palette by JUVIA'S place. See if it's kind of washing it out. It's kind of like a peachy color. And this one has 2 beautiful queens on the front. And this one is, let's see if this is on sale. It is not on sale. This one retails for $28. And you get 16 shadows, 16 shades in this palette. This is a big baby. Let me move out of frame so you guys can catch everything. You get 16 beautiful shades for $28. You can't beat that because some palettes you pay $48 and up. The Natasha Denona palette is what, $100+? That is just freaking insane. And when you can just go buy a JUVIA'S Place palette for $28 or less, or get them on sale. I picked these all up when they were like 25 or 20% off. So this one I just used today on my eyes. So the purple in the outer corner is this purple shade right here. I believe all the names at the bottom. I use this shade right here, and then this pink one right here on my eyes today. And I use this lovely burnt orange red color right here in my crease, kind of to deepen it up. And that's the shades I use. So let me just swatch a few. And if you guys want to see me, if you want to see, want me to do a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing today, leave me a comment in the comment box and let me know that you want to see it. Just say Magic palette, and then I will know that you want to see this look in my next coming up tutorial. So just say Magic palette or just say Magic, and then I will know that you guys want to see this look. These two here, this one, these two, this one, and this green one. And here are the swatches on the back of my hand. This one looks really deep in the palette. This one here, but they come out all creamy and they're really buttery. Here are them on my fingers. My battery got the nerve trying to die on a player. I was trying to be a hater. It has pink in the middle on the inner corner, then this purple, and then I did a gold wing, and then I have the purple in my tear duct. I have the purple in my tear duct, and yeah, the purple in my tear duct with the glitter in the middle, just a little splash of that with a normal simple face, and then this pop of lip. This would be great for spring. I'm most definitely going to be doing a tutorial on this look. And everything I use in this look is from this palette except the glitter. But I think you can pull it off and use this gold color right here. Let me swatch it real quick. If you use a, it won't be as glittery, but if you use this, use like a, what is it called? Like a glitter primer or glitter glue, you can get kind of the same kind of effect. And this color is the same color as Rihanna's Trophy Wife. Look at this. Look at this shit. Let me do a little pop. No, I'm gonna put some on as a highlighter before my battery dies because it's trying to hate on me. Ooh, that's what I'm saying. These are dual functions. You can use them for everything. There we go. And that is the end of this little quick haul and, you know, my little spill. That is the end of my little haul on the BA. I'll buy too much from the. That's my spill on the Safari. That's my spill on the JUVIA'S place. For palettes that I picked up, I will have a list of all the shades that I swatched in the description box on the palette that it came from and the name of all the shades. And then if you want to see this look, once again, please comment in the comment box magic palette or magic, letting me know, or just plainly say I want to see this look in a tutorial. So you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know that you like the video. If you have any questions about the lighting is getting a little bit better, but I somehow messed up my light for the back of the room. I messed up my lighting for the back of the room. I don't know how. As soon as I got it, I broke it. Whatever. So the back of the room is kind of yellow. So I'm still working on it. If you think I should get a background, like a little drop, let me know. I'm thinking about getting one, but I don't know what color I should get. If you have any ideas on what color I should get, let me know in the comment box, and I will check it out. If you have any links or anything, just leave it in the comment box, and I'll check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And please see you later, and come back for my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.